again, Ms. Eden, our organizing committee from the Rice Makati. Thank you so much for having RYR Events Management for this wonderful event. It's so nice to see you, the Rice Makati family, and I hope that we will see each other again next time. Once again, my name is Miss Mal, the Singing Master of Ceremony. And by the way, our official page is you just type in RYR Catering and Events Management. You can find it there and hit the like button and share. For my television appearances and appearances on the big screen, just type in my official hashtag, Mau Ilarda the Sing MC. I'm already part of Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Anak, Pipito Manaloto Saving Grace. Let Matias Attorney at Law, and coming soon on the 22nd, Walang Matigas na Police, sa patinig na Mrs. Terrence Senator, Wong Revilla, and Beauty Gonzalez, GMA Network, Kapuso Stream, GMA Pinoy TV. There you go. So, this is my first song tonight. Originally performed by Ariel Rivera and revived by partner Ray, by the pop star royalty Sara Geronimo. This is in Tagalog dialect. It's called Sana Ngayong Pasko. I'd like to dedicate this song for those who are just like me, who are longing for their loved ones who are no longer here with us. This very special season, just like in my case, my mother has been dead for 6 years, and I know all of us have experienced this kind of feeling that we're sad because we have like relatives, loved ones who are no longer here with us, and we all wish sana ngayong Pasko. I hope you like it, the Rice Makati family, residents of the Rice Makati. Once again, my name is Miss Pao. Thank you so much for having me tonight. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangang lumisong pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapilit ka. Sing with me if you know the song. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Everyone, enjoy the dinner tonight, everyone. That's good. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangang lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapili ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Sing My